So the product of powers, this is really a very simple idea, but we're going to look today at why is this good? Why does this product of powers rule turn out to be the way it is? In order to understand this, let's take a look at a couple simple examples. If I consider looking at something like 3 to the 5th power, well, if you know what 3 to the 5th power means, that's just 3 times itself 5 times. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to say, well, this is just 5 total 3's being multiplied by itself. And if I have another example, like let's say 3 to the 3rd power. Well, 3 to the 3rd power is really just 3 times 3 times 3. And the amount of times we're multiplying 3 by itself is the same as the exponent. So if I go ahead and I just say, all right, well, let's say I have the example 3 to the 5th power times 3 to the 3rd power. Well, that really just is, if I go ahead and write what 3 to the 5th power is, that's just 3 multiplied by itself 5 times, like we've already said. And then 3 to the 3rd power, in purple, is just 3 multiplied by itself 3 times. So then if I just look at this and I say, okay, well, I have 5 duplicates of 3, if you will, 3 being multiplied by itself 5 times, and then 3 being multiplied by itself 3 times. Well, how many total times am I multiplying 3 by itself when I multiply 3 to the 5th times 3 to the 3rd? And the answer is it's whatever these two numbers are. I have 8 total 3's here, so this is just 3 to the 8th power. And so instead of writing this out every single time, I can just start to notice something. Oh, well, the number of 3's that I'm multiplying is if I go ahead and look here, it's the number of exponents added together. 5 plus 3 is just equal to 8. So the product of powers rule just came out this way. People started realizing if I have some number, let's call it x, and I raise it to, whatever power a is, and then I multiply it by x again and raise it to whatever power b is, instead of writing all of this out, I can just start to recognize that when I multiply two bases that are the same together, I can just add together those bases' exponents as my answer. And our product of power law here is what we had back at the beginning.